Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to change Shopify store name. If you want to claim the current best deal of $1 for the first 3 months, check out the link in the description below. Changing your Shopify store name is fairly straightforward. First, you'll find the settings link in the bottom left corner of the page. Click it and you'll go to the settings page. Then go to store details, click edit on the basic information block. In store details, tap on basic information and you will be able to update your store name, your company's legal name, and your industry. In the store name field, you'll enter your new name. Here, you can also update your industry and legal company name if you want. Then, click Save either at the bottom of the page or in the upper right corner. Changing up your store name only takes 3 quick steps. But if you're doing a more extensive overhaul, you'll want to update your URL to match. Established merchants don't change their Shopify store names on a whim. The process of registering your business, marketing to potential customers, and building your brand is complicated and often lengthy. Changing your name could undo years of hard work. However, there are some good reasons for altering your Shopify store name, such as a rebrand or to better position your store. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.